How to change background in CapCut PC. Hey there lovely viewers, welcome to our YouTube video. Today we have got an exciting tutorial in store for you. We are going to show you how to change the background in CapCut on your PC. So let's dive right in. Before we begin, make sure you have already imported your video clip into CapCut. First of all, let's drag and drop the video into the first layer, and this is our video. Then we need to select the video. Make sure your video is selected, then click on cutout, and here you will see an option of auto cutout. Click on it. It's processing. Once your processing is done, click on basic, and here scroll down, and from here select style, and you can choose a background from here. Let's download this background. As you can see, the first background was blue, but now it's selected from the CapCut's background. But if you want to add your own background, let's also do that. Just drag and drop the video into the second layer and then add your background video on the first layer. And now let's just preview it. Once you're satisfied with the result, it's time to export your video. Click export, choose your setting and hit export again. And that's a wrap. You have successfully changed the background in CapCut on your PC. It's a fantastic way to add creativity to your videos. If you found this tutorial helpful, give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more editing tips and tricks. If you have any question or if there is a specific tutorial you'd like to see in next video, drop a comment below. Thanks for watching and happy editing.